Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka Pynkup Assembly Youth Congress haka sengi saja ka khat nyau trek nai luar arajar arhuar kala Pynkup Burom yaki khna skol ki bela pass bha haka examen secondary school living certificate and higher secondary school living certificate jong snem arajar arphau arajar arhuar ki badan kumba ars pa ngotam haka jingelang bala sakilang do president ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H Pala u balalong kum kongsan haringkat kecing don lang jong MDC uba pencengan NCM ki nongkit kam jaga snong Pynkup ki nongkit kam gaseng kongres ki kimi ki pa ki sister na belfon bat ki we
is a difficult task to be at this level. Many of you must have lost lots of your sleeps. And at the same time, the parents also must have worked very hard, spending energy, resources and everything to make their children up to this level. Being a father, I could also experience the same. When we see our children are getting an awards, sometimes tears come from our eyes. So congratulations to the awardees and to the parents as well. I also would like to appreciates the organizer, Meghalaya Youth Congress, for organizing this program. I'm proud to see that the Youth Congress of today are very active, rather they are more active than the parents at PCC it seems. Papanchkai told me that please come, and hardly about 200 to 300 people, but today I think it's more than expected. So it seems that Papanchkai will win with a thumping majority this time. So therefore, I request all those who have got the awards, please give it up, work harder, score harder. We are living in the world of competitions. We are living in the world of technology. We are living in the world full of challenges in our life. Until and unless we live, until and unless we stand, until unless we work together, parents, teachers and the society, is very difficult for us to survive, sustain and success in life.
Next we call upon Anshu Mishra who secured 92.8%, Gagan Nongri who secured 93.8% ICSE examination 2022.
I'm very honored to be here today. I thank Papanchkai and the Youth Congress for having granted me this privilege to be with you all on this very momentous day. And I would like to give special thanks also to the youth, the young students of Pynkup. Today, you are the pride of your family and the pride of Pynkup. Tomorrow, may you be the pride of Shillong, the state, and beyond. My name is Dondol Marwin, and I am a permanent resident of Pynkup. I have grown up here. Sister may also be pleased to know that I used to attend Sunday oratory here when I was a kid. So I've grown up here in this constituency, and today I work as a drone engineer, specifically a drone systems engineer, where I work with my team to build new drones we make in India and we operate them throughout the country. I also work as a reliability engineer to ensure that the drones that we fly and operate come back after completing their mission, come back safely without having any mishap, without injuring, and God forbid, without killing anybody. So, by qualification, I am an aerospace engineer both in bachelor's and also in master's degree. I completed my degrees from the University of Manchester in England, which has continuously ranked in the top 50 of global universities. And I would also like to add that I was able to get into admissions into that prestigious institute simply from my class 12 qualification from here, the Northeast, directly. So, I just have a few mixed bag of things to say to the young students today in order for you to go on and succeed in your careers, in your lives. The first thing I would like to say is, first, have an aim. Do not be a leaf that is blown in the wind. Try to have an aim, some sort of an aim, and try to execute it and implement it. Any human endeavor has always been achieved with particular planning, but also don't get too much involved in planning, because a good enough plan executed with vigor today is always better than a perfect plan executed never. Next, I would like to say that you must inculcate the habit of discipline. Discipline is the mental trait to do what is to be done at the right time for it to be done, at the right quality with which it is to be done, regardless of whether you feel like doing it or not. Discipline requires you to have mind control. Not to control other people's minds, but your own mind. And if you can make discipline your best friend, it will always be there to help you through all your trials and tribulations. Next, I would like to say that, please, young ones, have your own definition of what is cool. In today's social media day and age, we are bombarded with a lot of what is supposedly the definition of cool. But I would like to implore you to please have your own definition of what is cool. To be excellent at what you do, that is also a high level of what is cool. And you must have your own definition of cool and refine it until it becomes a global definition of cool. Lastly, I would like to say that you should always have a fighting spirit, because no matter how much we do our best, no matter how much we plan, life will always have a way to throw a spanner in the works. Sometimes you may fail, you may lose a year, but when you get knocked down, you must get back up, dust yourselves off, reload, recalibrate, and re-engage in your pursuit, in your relentless pursuit of what you have aimed for. Now, I don't really have much else to say, but I would also like to end by saying that if any one of you would like any guidance or interaction when you are trying to make up your minds, when you want to follow a particular line to study for in your careers, you can always try to connect with me on LinkedIn. My name is Dondor Marvin. You've seen my face today. So I will always be glad to connect with young students and be able to help you in any form that I can.
71.6% in the SSC examination. Ms. Lavinia Harvey-Q, 61%. And distinction on social science. Next, I call upon Ms. Bakwador Shisha Kharmi, who secured 90.
I'm very thankful to all of you for your kind presence during this facilitation program, especially the youth who will be awarded during this program. It is because of you we hold this program. I highly appreciate all those youth who done well during the examination in different categories. We hold this award program today for 2021, 2020, and 2022. We have around 280 plus awardees to be awarded today. As the MDC, as the working president of MPCC, I feel proud to see the youth from Pantorong Pra who come with excellence during their different exam in different board of exam. But as of now, we in the Pantorong Pra see the very sudden is we do not have any college in Pantorong Pra. I think we are happy to know from Sister Helen, who will very soon open the evening college here in Bulfen Community College. A big thank you to Sister Helen. In fact, we should have had 2 or 3 colleges here in Pantorong Pra. It will very much helpful for the youth in Pantorong Pra. But we are expecting that soon this evening college here with Sister Helen will start functioning. We also requested our MP at least to give some fund from the MC scheme for Sister Helen to start this college. So I will not speak more, but my big thank you to the awardees who come during this program. And I encourage you to work hard, to study hard. We are living in a very competitive world. Only those who are working hard will survive. So I encourage you, I inspire you that you will working more harder. So with flying colors. So time will come that we as the people of Pantorong Pra and the Pantorong Pra Assembly Youth Congress Committee will be very much proud of you. Only this few, thank you all of you.
Who secure the 89.8% on Sslc science examination, 7.4% on Sslc examination, 94.2% on Sslc examination. On Shanisha Ray, who secured 89.1% on Sslc examination. Next, we call upon Rohit Roy, who secured 88% on Sslce. Amar Roy for securing 89% on the Sslce examination. Secured 86.6% on the ICSE examination 20.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To urge the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.